Welcome. Hey, nice to see you. You're vibing with the Time Pass Theory podcast. यहाँ पे टाइम पास के नाम पे लाइफ की असली बातें भी होती हैं, तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. Welcome to today's episode of the Time Pass Theory podcast. I'm your host Ashish. If you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button.
So yes, I mean,
थोड़ा सा आगे,
you.
यहाँ आ जाओ.
So you.
अभी लोगों को पता नहीं हम क्यों हंस रहे हैं, बिकॉज काफी पंगे हुए हैं अभी. देखो आप नीचे की तरफ हो गए, मुझे पीछे जाना पड़ेगा, या तो आप आगे जाओ. हाँ ठीक है,
ठीक है.
अभी ठीक है. आप कट रहे हो
अभी ठीक है इतना तो.
हाँ ये ठीक है ना, हम दोनों बराबर आ रहे हैं.
यस.
जूम करूँ और
नहीं, आई थिंक इट इज और कट जाएंगे तुम क्या.
और कट जाएगा ना. मैं ऑलरेडी कटा हुआ हूँ.
इसीलिए ना हम दोनों ही थोड़ा बैक साइड कट
हाँ.
हुआ.
आई थिंक अभी ठीक है, मेरा ठीक है,
हाँ,
है ना. आपको माइक आ रहा है यहाँ पे,
आ रहा है.
ठीक है. तो
Yes.
स्टार्ट करते हैं.
यस बॉस.
तो टेक 2.
या इट इज, आई मीन, जब मैं गया तो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स कि भाई वेजिटेरियन फूड या ओवरऑल इंडियन फूड कितना मिल रहा है, कैसे मिल रहा है. बट इट इज़ वेरी इजी एंड क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है फूड का. और जो भी फेमस अपने ये कुलचा, नान और ये सब भी जो दिल्ली साइड का भी नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड है, वो भी बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल है. और चेन्स भी है जो यहाँ पे भी है, वहाँ पे भी है. सो यू गेट अ सिमिलर स्टफ. एंड स्पेसिफिकली वेजिटेरियन फूड, यू गेट प्योर वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट्स एज वेल. तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि आपको एकदम महंगे जगह जाना है. यू गेट इन ऑल प्राइस पॉइंट्स कि आप
Okay.
एकदम सिंपल रेस्टोरेंट में भी यू गेट गुड फूड. और आप प्रीमियम
आई थिंक वी नीड मोर एनर्जी ऑन द माइक.
प्रीमियम में भी
आवाज.
जाके यू गेट अ गुड वन. सो
अच्छा.
that was a good experience. So food wise तो कोई चैलेंज नहीं है उतना. और जैसे सब्जी वगैरह भी सुपरमार्केट में तो है.
टोफू और सोया चंक तो मिल ही
हाँ,
जाएगा
सब मिलता है.
प्रोटीन के लिए.
एंड ऑल वेजिटेबल्स आर इम्पोर्टेड फ्रॉम इंडिया एज वेल.
हाँ.
तो हमारी सारी सब्जियां जनरली हम इंडिया की लेते थे. बट नॉट ओनली इंडिया, बाकी कंट्रीज से भी यू गेट वेजिटेबल्स इम्पोर्टेड. तो वो एक एडवांटेज भी है. यू गेट टू ट्राई आउट स्टफ फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. आप एक ही जगह पे हो, सब जगह से सामान आता है वहाँ.
तो हमने पैंडेमिक देखा. पैंडेमिक, आई नो यू वर देयर इन ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक एंड देयर्स वन चैप्टर दैट इट्स बेस्ट kept forgotten and not discussed. So pandemic के बाद obviously चीजें खुली and there were a lot of things which people could enjoy, and I know Dubai bounced back really quickly after the pandemic. So what are those fun things to do in Dubai? I mean, I know. So for example, I'll give you some. So the example was even during pandemic, I think David Guetta performed at I'm not getting the place, but it has a helipad. What's it called?
बुर्ज
Al Arab.
टेनिस भी हुआ था वहाँ.
हाँ, टेनिस भी हुआ था. Will Smith
बुर्ज खलीफा पे.
Will Smith climbed Burj Khalifa.
टॉम क्रूज, वो तो मूवी पूरा.
टॉम क्रूज ने अपना मिशन इम्पॉसिबल पूरा वहाँ पे पॉसिबल कर लिया.
So yeah, I mean adventure sports and all काफी scope है वहाँ. And overall culture of Middle Eastern people is also very adventurous. So by heart they are little bit adventure loving guys, you know. So वो बहुत अच्छा रहता है. Desert safari और ये सब तो सबको पता ही है. But पैराग्लाइडिंग हो गया,
Yep.
बंजी जंपिंग, ये सब भी है. वाटर स्पोर्ट्स आ रहे हैं. So lot of opportunities for that. Gaming के लिए भी there is lot of
रेड बुल ने अपने प्लेन उड़ाए हैं,
हाँ,
वहाँ पे
plane
लैंड करे हैं, टेक ऑफ करवाए हैं रेड बुल ने, है ना?
So
Damn good.
yeah, there are a lot of stuff to do.
How interesting is that? Right? I mean, if you have the money and the willpower is there, sky is the limit.
And the good thing is कि बहुत दूर नहीं जाना है. Because everything is in such a small place. बाकी कहीं हो तो you will have to take a flight or drive 10 hours and reach a destination. Here everything is within 2 hours. So very easy. आपको कोई लंबा प्लान नहीं करना. आपका मन हुआ you know कुछ करना है adventure sports, you just go and have it.
Yeah. Cars are also fast. The expressways are pretty wide, and you know,
Cars.
minimum speed I think what 140 miles.
On the highways, yeah, there are some roads where minimum is 80, 100 and max is 120, 140. So that is there. Or cars, people who are into cars, it's a heaven
Yeah.
because all the cars in the world are available. Or duty tax नहीं है, so you get it very base price kind of thing. आपको cars में
Ferrari World is in
Abu
Saudi-
Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi,
Abu
right?
Dhabi,
It's not in
yes,
Dubai.
yes. So again, a very good place to have a feel of Ferrari ride kind of thing. So ये cars, it is a good thing, and the loan interest rates are also low. तो आपका EMI भी कम आता है. That's another advantage there. So your EMIs are cheap. So you can go for premium cars easily over there. जो बाकी जगह इतना possible नहीं है. So cars, so सब जिनको interest है, it's a good place. You have fun driving as well.
So a lot of people in India would want to go to Europe, US, Canada for their higher education, or not even for, let's take an example for a job. So I passed out and I want a job in Dubai. What would be your advice to those people, the young gen?
Next generation. Or, yeah. So
All gens next who are in line.
whatever.
Not classifying
Yeah.
anybody.
So, I mean, see, if you are a fresher out of college, I will say it is slightly difficult, not as easy, because the place demands little bit of experience, and competition is also very high. So, culturally, it's not easy for someone out of college, and if they expect कि वहाँ direct job करना है, very very tough, I would say. So suggestion is have some experience, 2-3 years at least experience in India. यहाँ सब सीख लो, see how things are done.
और इंडिया से अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस तो कोई दे ही नहीं सकता.
Yes, yes.
इंडिया जस्ट रेडीज यू फॉर द वर्ल्ड.
And अपना जो culture भी है, mentorship, when you join a corporate, you always have someone most of the times looking after you, training you, guiding you. That happens very less outside. So उसके लिए तो यहाँ काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So you learn that thing and then you try over there and then apply your learnings over there.
Yeah. So the best thing would be to learn here, go there and again get experience, and before you retire, come back to India and implement all your learnings to make our country a better place.
Yes.
Yeah. फ्रेम से बाहर जा रहे हो आप.
So yes, I mean
थोड़ा सा आगे.
you. So you keep on doing both ways, right? कि यहाँ से सीख के वहाँ apply करो, bring that learning again back to India. So it's like a transfer of knowledge and information.
So when you were in Dubai, did you get a chance to visit or see the concept of NEOM, the line, or were you interested in?
I visited Saudi. तब ये प्रोजेक्ट बाद में स्टार्ट हुआ, बट आई कुड नॉट विजिट द एग्जैक्ट प्लेस. वो तब बन रहा था. बट वी स्टार्टेड हियरिंग अ लॉट कि you know they are building
Yeah, it was
such
quite
a thing.
hyped.
Yeah,
Yeah.
quite a ambitious project.
Yeah.
So we will see. I mean, how it goes.
If you can have ambitious projects in Dubai, you can also have them in Saudi. I think.
Yes. The whole region also, in a way, is competing and learning from one another.
Yes.
So they are also looking at, you know, okay, Dubai is doing this, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Then Qatar will do something.
Qatar is
वो
not far
FIFA
behind.
करेंगे तो ये लोग सोचेंगे हम एक्सपो करेंगे. So there is a
Qatar just nailed it during the FIFA, right?
Yes.
Nailed
It
it.
was a big event.
Yes.
So I think Dubai had Expo and then Qatar had FIFA as a big event. So everyone is competing also in a way, learning also in a way. So the whole GCC is like that. They learn from each other. If one declares an ambitious project, another will try to, you know, surpass it and have.
So when you're doing all of these things, so there is so much of heat over there. Don't you get bogged down with that tremendous heat factor?
Yes, I mean, see, even when I went there, I was also like, you know, गर्मी का क्या होता होगा.
Yeah.
But the whole region is built for that environment. So
हम लोग तो यहाँ 4 महीने की गर्मी नहीं सह सकते.
परेशान हो जाते.
हम तो सोचते हैं भाई पानी कब गिरने वाला है.
Yes, but once you are there, you don't feel it. You won't get irritated by it. That is what I experience. Because everywhere in your house also there is central AC. तो ऐसा नहीं कि एक रूम में एसी है, आप किचन में जाओ, आप पूरे घर में कहीं भी हो सेंट्रल एसी है. बिल्डिंग कॉरिडोर्स में भी सेंट्रल एसी रहता है. आपका प्ले एरिया इज कवर्ड, पूल वगैरह भी
So those
covered.
people who are manufacturing their
हाँ,
AC
it's a big
filters,
business. AC and all is
I think that's a very
huge
very lucrative
business.
business over there.
So and it is seamless. So your experience will be seamless.
Yeah.
आप कहीं से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहे हो, आप सीधा जाओ अपने कार में बैठो एंड पार्किंग से ही आपको एसी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा जैसे ही कार से उतरे. यू गो टू अ मॉल एंड ह्यूज मॉल्स. वन ऑफ द रीजन दे हैव ह्यूज मॉल्स इज कि आप पूरा दिन निकाल सकते हो वहाँ.
Yeah.
So you keep on doing indoor activities for those months. And summer गया उसके बाद winter is very good. तो वो आप
Winter तो खैर obviously वहाँ पे even during daytime you have to wear a jacket, I've heard,
yes chilly winds
or a
होते हैं.
muffler also. You have to
हाँ.
protect your neck.
Chilly winds रहते हैं winter में कभी but a very good environment वहाँ पे winter में. So 6 months are really good for outdoor activities. So इतना irritation नहीं होता है. You are able to manage.
So 6 months of winter, which is quite decent, right? I mean, if you're getting 6 months of nice winter,
Yes.
so you don't mind that other 6 months of summer.
Yeah, with a
It
good
evens out.
infra, everything, you know, lot of activities to do indoors. वो सब setup है, so you don't mind. निकल जाता है वो time. And vacation में you travel here and there. Either you, most of them summer vacations है तो kids है तो they go to their home countries or Europe, US कहीं घूमने चले गए.
Europe is very nearby.
हाँ, so people keep on traveling also.
Yeah.
So वो भी time निकल जाता
So the cost of ticket is going to be lesser.
Yes.
Europe is very accessible.
है. Yes.
For that matter, even America almost nearby only,
Nearby.
not too far.
Yes, and the cost will be less, as you said, because Emirates, Etihad are, you know, their main airlines. You get good offers also. So people keep on traveling in during holidays.
You were telling me that once you were traveling on the airplane and there was no vegetarian.
Yes. वो हुआ था when I visited Lebanon
That was
for the first
that
time.
must have been something.
I was not expecting.
So what airline was it?
It was
Okay.
and I was going to Lebanon
From-
Dubai.
From the way to okay.
And I
Beirut.
had recently, Beirut shifted recently to Dubai, and I had this official visit.
Yeah.
And
All excited. जाएंगे अभी
और
फिर क्या
air
हुआ?
hostess आई and then I said veg box. He's looking at me.
Veg.
Okay, I
So
said.
there was no veg box
And
in the entire flight,
the entire.
and so you asked them.
I
तुम्हारे पास पूरे फ्लाइट में एक वेजिटेरियन डब्बा नहीं है.
Yes.
What is happening over here?
This is a world, another world, where they don't have a single veg box.
Like, come on, yaar.
And they were not shocked. I was shocked. They are like, this is normal. This is how it
I am
is.
shocked. Listening to it, even I am shocked.
We are not used to कि हम plane में गए और we don't get a veg box. Then they said no, on these flights, if you want, you have to pre-book. If you pre-book, you will get it. But I never thought कि I had to pre-book a veg box. I thought 5-6 डब्बे तो रखे ही होंगे, एक तो मिल जाएगा. But then they were very.
So there was not a single soul who was a vegetarian on that flight.
No.
Wow.
And
Amazing.
it was, ऐसा भी नहीं था. मैंने वो भी पूछा कि अच्छा खत्म हो गए क्या?
Unbelievable. So you probably had to pre-book it.
हाँ pre-book. So return में pre-book किया. So I got it. But then they were courteous enough. तो उन्होंने बोला अरे कोई ऐसे थोड़ी we won't let you be hungry. तो वो बोले अच्छा नॉन-वेज बॉक्स में हमारा बहुत कंपार्टमेंटलाइज्ड होता है. So we'll just remove the sandwich और जो चिकन का बॉक्स है from the main box. Salads है, केक है. You have all of it. तो उन्होंने मैंने कहा दैट इज फाइन विद. तो मैंने फिर वो सिर्फ वो जो भी उनका चिकन वाला ग्रेवी होगा वो बॉक्स था वो हटा के दे गिव मी द अदर बॉक्स
which is good.
तो विच इज ओके. आई मीन अपना कुछ केक और सलाड वलाड खा लिए. दैट इज ओके. बट हाँ दैट वाज अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस कि होल फ्लाइट में नॉट हैव अ वेज बॉक्स.
Yeah, it's weird.
So this happens. So pre-book if you are visiting such places. Always pre-book and prefer your put your preference. Then
Yeah.
you will get it.
So we talked about motorsports and we talked about weather and your experience. विंटर में अब विंटर आ ही गया है और अभी विंटर के साथ न्यू एनर्जी भी निकल के आती है. बॉडी एकदम फुल ऑफ एनर्जी हो जाती है कि अब रोज एवरी डे इज अ न्यू डे. भाई आज दुबई में निकला है, ठंड में हम निकलेंगे तो कुछ बड़ा करेंगे. आइदर गो बिग और गो होम.
वहाँ का लाइफस्टाइल ही वही है. सो इस विंटर में अपना एक्टिविटीज भी बहुत है. साइकिलिंग ट्रैक्स बहुत अच्छे हैं वहाँ. सो आई हैड अ बाइसिकल देयर. तो ऑफिस के बाद साइकिलिंग पे निकल जाओ हाफ एन आवर 1 आवर और यू गेट टू गो टू द बीच. साइकिल से ही बीच घर के पास था. सो यू टेक योर साइकिल एंड टेक अराउंड नियर द बीच. ये सब कर सकते हो.
So the last time when we did excuse me, the last time when we did the part 1, after that YouTube started throwing through its algorithm. It started giving me those kind of videos which were saying that the Dubai bubble is it's false and it's a false dream. Don't fall for the trap. I personally don't believe it because I believe Dubai has bounced back many times.
Yes. So this
People keep the jealous people. I think they
हाँ,
keep saying नहीं
keep
मत
saying
जाओ
कुछ ना कुछ.
ये ठीक नहीं वो ठीक नहीं है. मतलब ठीक है यार, अगर लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट वहाँ पे अच्छा हो रहा है एंड इफ यू आर जस्ट अ डिसग्रंटल्ड पर्सन who's had a bad brush with the law, that doesn't mean that the entire place is bad. I mean,
so you
and that's how you regulate things.
keep on hearing stuff, but
तो लोग गलत करते हैं, फंसते हैं, फिर they get disappointed
हाँ.
and then they bad mouth it.
So that happens. And there are rumors also. हर 5 साल में there are such things कि ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. But we have seen it bounces back. जो भी फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस के बाद भी it bounced back. कोविड के बाद तो it was like went huge.
Oh yes.
So we have seen those things. They are pretty. They always turn those challenges into opportunity, or you bounce back and have a good thing. And as you said, right? I mean, every place has their own laws. So only thing is you have to be careful, follow those laws,
Yeah.
and be aligned with it. तो फिर कोई वो नहीं है. Everyone stays there for many years.
Yeah.
तो कोई issue नहीं होता है. So these are all things which people say, but you have to see the history, how many times they have bounced back, and see how they are growing. And it is an opportunity also, right?
Tell me about the camel.
Racing, no? Camel
racing.
Yes, camel racing also happen.
Yeah.
So हर तरीके का sport है, and camel racing is also very good. मैंने 1-2 बार देखा है वहाँ पे. So that is a
Did
good
you get a
experience.
chance to actually ride a camel?
नहीं.
Because
I don't think that happens there.
you probably got a chance, but
In
you
India.
just passed it. You
Nahin,
said,
nahin.
I'm thank you, but I would like to pass this opportunity.
No, that's not a thing there, right?
Camel riding is not that easy. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, it's not easy. So you know the two humps that the
Humps.
camel has, and once the camel sits and you want to just make yourself comfortable on it, and वो कहते हैं ना किस करवट से कैमल उठेगा.
रहेगा.
बाय द टाइम वो करवट उठता है, तुम या तो नीचे होते हो या तो तुम होल्डिंग ऑन टू योर डियर लाइफ होते हो कि भाई मैं गिर ना जाऊं, बिकॉज इट्स अ टॉल एनिमल,
It's a
राइट.
tall animal and moves also.
हाँ, और तुम गिरे तो तुम
Balance
गए,
करना है. Yes.
या तो तुम शोल्डर के बल गिरोगे या सर के बल गिरोगे. इट्स प्रीटी रिस्की.
But it's not a thing there. जैसे अपने यहाँ जैसे बीच पे और ये
हाँ,
वो
या आ जाओ आ
concept
जाओ,
नहीं है, नहीं,
चढ़ जाओ भाई,
नहीं.
आप भी आ जाओ. तुम 2-3 बच्चे बिठा लिए कैमल
Concept
के
है ही
ऊपर.
नहीं.
कैमल को क्या चल रहा है यार ये.
It's a very protected, respected species over there.
Yeah.
So there are very good rules around them.
And they
Road
have
signs भी
yeah,
रहते
road
हैं.
signs.
Okay, you know, be careful when crossing deserts and all. So
What about sandstorms? Have you witnessed sandstorms?
that happens.
I
So
mean, I was watching this movie Mission Impossible where the starting cut scene was
the
the guy,
sandstorm.
I think Tom Cruise driving into Dubai, and then the scene cuts up and it's all sandstorm coming in.
इतना तो नहीं देखा 10 साल में. इतना ह्यूज वाला सैंडस्टॉर्म नहीं देखा. But they happen. But not as huge as what was shown in that movie. Because मैंने तो नहीं देखे उतने.
वो थोड़ा effect से भी कर
हाँ,
रखा होगा
वो
उसको
करता
थोड़ा
है.
enhance.
But they do happen. Summers में जब wind चलता है, so you can see sand flowing around. तो अपना विंडो सब हम बंद रखते हैं वरना धूल आ जाएगा. But that is like okay.
फिर तो
Once in a while.
डस्टिंग
हाँ,
करते ही बैठे रह जाएंगे पूरा
हाँ,
दिन.
once in a while happens. But like we have rainstorms, so वहाँ sandstorm है kind of. Comes with the
पर यहाँ पे
territory.
रेनस्टॉर्म छोटे एरिया में होता है, वहाँ पे सैंडस्टॉर्म बड़े एरिया में होता है.
हाँ, वो पूरा डेजर्ट से उड़ते हुए आएगा. एंड वो दिखता है. यू कैन सी द सैंड. अगर आप ह्यूज ओपन व्यू के साथ बैठे हो,
So you see
You can see
the
that,
brown
brown
facade,
facade,
and you're not able to see beyond that.
हाँ,
The
beyond
sky is
sun.
totally obscured
yes,
with the sand.
वो होता है. बट दैट्स ओके. आई मीन नथिंग व्हिच हार्म्स यू इन एनी वे. इट्स लाइक ओके, इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस. यू सी.
Did you go to Bahrain? So this entire Gulf area is good.
Yeah, even you have a different experience.
Yeah.
So if we are open to understanding the place, then yes, it's a good place, a different way of life, and closer to India, right, in terms of distance as well as little bit in terms of culture also. So you feel comfortable, I think, in Gulf,
Yeah.
especially for people from India.
Especially a lot of people from Kerala, right?
Yeah, lot of people from Kerala in UAE, Saudi and all. So yes, I mean that's an advantage. Lot of businesses are run by Indians, like Lulu Hypermarket
Yeah.
is a chain.
Lulu is in Hyderabad as well.
Ah, so
it's in
that-
Cochin also.
Because it is from Cochin.
Oh,
the owner is a Keralite.
right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's how. So that's why
Yeah.
it was opened here.
Lulu
also.
Mall is there.
Yeah. So that's a huge chain, and
Pretty famous. And
yeah, it's
people.
one of
Yeah,
the-
even here, I'm sure over there also. Even here, a lot of people. So in Hyderabad, I remember they were opening the Lulu Mall, and there was a traffic jam for like
Yeah.
3-4 hours.
Yes.
Everybody wanted to get in. Nobody was going anywhere.
Yeah, it's a huge chain, and everyone visits Lulu in UAE. So
Okay.
we, whenever we had to shop, we used to go Lulu, Spinneys,
Do you
Carrefour.
guys have DMart as well?
No DMart there.
No
Lulu is like their DMart.
Lulu is the DMart.
DMart, yes.
Lulu is everything.
Lulu is everything, like a DMart.
Yeah.
Then we have other chains also. But yes, this is one of the ones which is owned by Indian over there. So yes, it is a good place to be.
I heard the IKEA is also pretty big over
Yeah,
there.
huge. Many IKEAs.
There are many IKEAs.
Yes, and then you can spend your whole day over there. So you go there. It's like a family trip. You
Yep.
go. Kids play area is there. You
Yep.
put them, and you go from one floor to another.
Hyderabad, they have a very big IKEA, but I'm not sure about the scale in comparison to what they have in Dubai. I'm sure Dubai, with having more land, would have had a more expansive setup.
It's
over
like
there.
a mall over there. IKEA itself is a mall. It's
Okay, yeah. So here it's a mini mall.
It's a huge mall there. With multiple floors of parkings and all. So huge place.